Inform other side.
Yes.
And the commission.
Yes, my lord.
141, 142.
Very much SSC. Here, my lord, relates to second SLSP. I want the 10 marks to be given to me. I am a central government teacher. Initially, my lord, when I went to fill up, it was not giving the option. My lord, now he is telling me that I will be allowed. They have taken a decision.
There was no such direction to bar anybody who is from central government. Only, my lord, the fields which require the date of joining and number of year of experience that had to be filled up, and rest of the fields like school code and the under which instruction that can be filled up manually, and it is written if any.
So you have participated in the.
Yes, yes.
If, my lord, she has, if she has written that she is working in such, some school which is under central government and she is working for such years.
Already you have participated. There is no urgency in this matter. 143. If you want it is to be disposed of.
My lord, it can be disposed of. If my once is fulfilled, they are no.
So court can record that his past experience will be taken.
If she has,
will be reckoned.
if, my lord, she has filled up that form, that I
Have you filled up the form?
that I have worked.
Screenshot that I could not. Why?
এই দাও তো দেখি।
Screenshot I have.
22,321। Have you taken instruction?
But I have taken instruction. But
If he is a teacher of central government school, it is a CBSE school or
it's
army school?
Jawahar
The school
Navodaya
run by
Vidyalaya.
defense.
It's Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. It's not by army school. my lord.
Army school, Jawahar Navodaya.
Jawahar
Central
Navodaya Vidyalaya is CBSE school.
CBSE school, central government. But the rules do not
It
prohibit
is
any.
affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education. At Kagdir. How can you go back?
No, she has worked in multiple Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, my lord, at different point of time by transfer.
So your instruction is if petitioner has worked in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, he is eligible to get the marks for his past experience as a teacher who worked in Jawahar Navodaya.
She is eligible, my lord.
But that has to be indicated in the
Indicated in the
online
application form. That is my instruction. And not there was no prohibition from for anybody to give only the school code of only state government.
State government
schools.
affiliated.
It is written if any.
State government run school. That is not the
Mandatory.
There is no any such restriction.
You know, if somebody is leaving that blank.
Place your case. Where is your application? Online application.
Page 37, my lord.
37.
স্ক্রিনশটটা পাঠাও।
Where you have stated that you have a past experience of teacher?
My lord, that I have stated in paragraph 2.
No, in your application.
My lord, that is my case that I was not where the it was designed the website, my lord. My central government was not allowed. My lord,
no, where is that column or where is this particular place where you are required to indicate your past experience? My file details just in the subject of page 53. Email address, religion, no, page 37, there is no place.
Then, my lord, there is a screenshot of the website at page 53. Kindly takes that, my lord.
This is where I could not ask question which will be now. Are you working as an assistant? Maybe.
Just a minute. Okay. No, but it says, are you working as an assistant teacher in any aided sponsor school under West Bengal government?
Yes,
my lord. But the first four field.
Therefore, that's why the petitioner did not fill it up.
Not the next two fields, my lord, it could have been filled up manually.
Maybe, but the heading is otherwise. Are you working as assistant teacher in any aided sponsor school under West Bengal government?
The heading is there, my lord.
Yes, so that's why applicant thought that since applicant worked in Navodaya Vidyalaya, which is not under the state of West Bengal, he found that it is not required to be disclosed.
But my lord, but my lord, then she could have made an application before the authority during the pendency of
So
the form.
today, if then court can direct to consider his past experience.
Court can direct, my lord, and we'll consider it as well. My lord, we have considered similar such candidates as well. But my lord, those candidates have filled in that those date of first joining and experience count.
Now, at the time of verification, I will grant him leave to what is the next stage?
Subject to correction, it's provided that before interview, these 10 marks and written examination marks are to be added. Then, according to 1:1.6 ratio, I will be called.
1:1.6
6 ratio has
for
to be-
personality test.
for personality. So it has to be added immediately with the written examination result. 10 marks to be added, and they will publish a list. And probably then I will be called for verification.
Otherwise, you may not come within the zone of
Zone of
consideration.
consideration.
If this 10 marks is not out of 10 marks, marks is or for your past experience, marks is not awarded. Marks is not awarded to you. Yes.
My lord, that is rule 2K and 2L.
Yes.
So, my
No,
lord,
then what is your instruction?
My instruction is since the petitioner did not fill up those fields which were not mandatorily filled up for the government teachers only, and those fields were could have been filled up by any teacher, even they have been filled up by teachers from other states that have not been opted.
Yes, then.
That is why her case is not considered for prior teaching expense.
But what about this document? Are you working as assistant teacher in any aided sponsor school under West Bengal government?
That is not for
That's why the petitioner was misled. So I will grant leave to the petitioner to make an application indicating his past experience that will be taken care of while awarding marks to the petitioner. 9, 10 or 11, 12?
9.
Issue. File your affidavit service.
I have my just 5 minutes. I'm being filed. I have
Record note. Mr. Dasgupta, lawyer advocate representing the petitioner, undertakes to file affidavit of service in course of this day. Next paragraph. Petitioner participated. Second state level selection test 2025 for the post of assistant teacher for classes 9 and 10. Stop. However, in reference to a document at page 53 of the writ petition, it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that she could not disclose her past teaching experience in connection with service she rendered as assistant teacher of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, where you have stated.
paragraph 2.
Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Stop. It is also contended that at the beginning, it is also contended that at the heading of the document or at the heading of the page which was available online. It was online submission request which was available online on the website of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, within bracket hereinafter referred to as commission, quote unquote, close bracket. It was stated whether the applicant was working as assistant teacher, whether the applicant is working as an assistant teacher in any aided/sponsored school under West Bengal government. Stop. Since petitioner still you are working.
Presently, I am not.
Since petitioner was not working in a school run and aided by West Bengal government, she did not indicate her past experience while submitting online application. She did not indicate her past experience as assistant teacher while submitting her online application. Stop. Prayer is made for awarding marks to the petitioner considering her past experience as assistant teacher in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Next paragraph. Mr. Singh, learned advocate representing Commission on Instruction submits that if petitioner would have indicated her past experience as assistant teacher in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya while submitting online application, her past experience as assistant teacher would have been taken into consideration for awarding marks. Stop. It is also submitted that due to failure on the part of the petitioner to indicate her past experience in while submitting online application, Commission would find it difficult to award marks for past experience. Next paragraph. While considering the case made out in this writ petition, court finds that petitioner was under dilemma whether she would indicate her past experience as assistant teacher in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya out of which is at page 53 of the writ petition. Stop. It is stated at the heading that whether the applicant teacher was working as assistant teacher in any aided/sponsored school under Government of West Bengal. Note of interrogation. Stop. Petitioner found since she worked in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, which was neither aided nor sponsored school under West Bengal government, it is not required to be disclosed at the time of submitting online application. Next paragraph. However, after hearing the learned advocate representing the commission, it appears disclosure of past experience as assistant teacher in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya would make the petitioner eligible to be awarded marks for her past experience as assistant teacher. Stop. Next paragraph, in view of aforesaid discussion, now in view of aforesaid consideration, petitioner is granted leave to make an application to the chairman of the commission disclosing particulars of her past experience as assistant teacher in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya by 26th September 2025. Stop. If have you made chairman party? Oh, you chair, secretary of the commission.